Hey guys, so we're back and we've got some very exciting news. We took the Lexus out, the LS400 for the day. As you can see, we're cruising in old school style here. We just came off a gravel road. You'll see a few clips now. And yeah, we went to Cape Town for the day. Went to a few car dealerships and just had a look at, you know, what's out there. Because Erich's got some exciting things happening at the moment. His plans are, I don't know, coming to fruition, like they say, a lot sooner than mine. The FJ Cruiser is sold. Well done on that one. Yeah, that one is gone. And the LS400 is also leaving in the next 2 days. The guy is fetching this car as well. Then his fleet is becoming quite a bit less, you know, quite quickly. So we're looking at a few replacements for him. New projects, new exciting things to go by. And I can't help but also having a look. Got some exciting news coming up. Stay tuned for this one. Yeah.
The next day.
Now we have some very exciting news. Erich just got his new vehicle now. The sale of some of his other vehicles went so quickly. We didn't expect it to happen that quick. We quickly had to make another plan because tomorrow we have a 4x4 event. There's quite a lot of people going, a lot of friends going, so we've already kind of committed and we're very excited for the event. We've never been to that specific one before. We're on our way back from Cape Town to where we live. It's about 45 minutes or an hour's drive. This is a big excitement. I love the color of the Prado. Guys, just have a look at this.
Few inches later.
Hey, good morning guys. Alright, so I need to fill you in on a few things. You guys will see my new vehicle that I got myself. Well, new for me. I'm very excited about the Prado. It's just the car drives so super smooth. The suspension, everything on this car is amazing. My Toyota Hilux Bakkie doesn't come close to this. I still got quite a few things on it that I want to do to bring it up to scratch where it needs to be, but for the bargain that I bought it for, I'm always going to be below what it's valued at. So if I ever need to sell it, I'm going to make quite a bit of money on it. And I really love it to buy the worst examples of a car and then to make them into something special.